Hey everyone, welcome back. Transferring money through the Lloyds Mobile Banking app is quick and convenient. First, open your app, then log in. Enter your username and password and then log in. After that, once you've logged in, select the account that you want to transfer the money from. Then tap on Payments or Transfer Money. Choose whether you are sending the money to one of your own accounts or to someone else. If sending it to a new recipient, enter their name, account number, and sort code carefully. Enter the amount you want to transfer and review all the details. Confirm the payment when ready. Once processed, you will receive confirmation that the transfer has been completed, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.